Hello, Year 7. Today we're going to be looking at the structures and the functions of the parts of the male reproductive system and the female reproductive system. So this is a system, so it's composed of two or more organs. Each of those organs are composed of two or more tissues, and each of those tissues are composed of the same kind of cells. Just as a little recap. So here's the male system. Please note, in this structure, it's two-dimensional, and actually it's sometimes quite difficult to work out where this is. So this is the bladder here. Now, this is part of the urinary system. It's not part of the reproductive system, but it's actually labelled here because in the male system it is kind of connected. Okay, so that big sort of storage organ there stores the urine, and urine is passed through the penis through the urethra as well. Okay, so it is linked. Now, the reproductive system is involved with creating sex cells or gametes. So let's start at the beginning. The male sex cell is called the sperm. Now, the sperm are produced in the testes. So the testes function is to produce sperm or gametes. Now, if we see this structure here, there is a tube that passes from the testes up here. Now, we call this the sperm duct. So this is a tube that carries sperm from the testes to the urethra, which is the next tube that passes from along the penis. Okay, so that sperm will be released from the end of the penis there. Now we have two glands, one of which is called the prostate, one of which is called the seminal vesicle. Now the purpose of these glands is to provide nutrients and fluid for the sperm on their long journey into the female reproductive system until fertilization takes place in the oviduct. Okay, so they do need a lot of nutrients because they need to move, so they need a lot of glucose, and they also need other nutrients for survival too. So those two glands there are what provide these nutrients for the sperm on their journey. Okay, there's actually three glands there. Okay. The urethra actually also carries the sperm after the sperm duct has joined together from both testicles, so that carries sperm to the penis, but also carries urine. Both these things do not happen at the same time, so if this is under control of one of these glands here, so during sexual intercourse, the sperm duct will be open and allow sperm to travel through the penis, but not urine. Okay, so the penis then is the structure to deliver sperm into the vagina of the female on into their reproductive system. Okay, but also will deliver or release urine. Okay, but not at the same time. Okay, so there's the male reproductive system. You can now fill in your worksheet.